Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a gift message onto Shopify. So there's a lot of ways you can do this. The most obvious one that comes to mind is of course an app. So if I first, for example, go in the search bar here and I search up gift message, right? I don't know why that redirected onto there. Let's just do that again. Gift message, Shopify App Store. There you go. Now on gift message here, you'll see that there's a lot of apps that you can install, and a lot of these seems good, right? But if you pay attention, it says free trial plan available, free trial available, free trial, free plan, and free to install, right? What all of these mean are, even though they might be free to use in some aspect, there's a lot of strings or a lot of limitations attached to the app. So you won't be getting the full benefit of it unless you get a subscription to the app. So you'll need to have a subscription to Shopify first and foremost, and then you will need to also pay the subscription for the apps here. So the costs will pile up. So I'm just going to show you a much simpler way and a much more humble way to do this. So we're going to go to online store and we're going to go to themes. We're going to click on customize. On customize, you'll have to scroll down. Let's go to the product section here. And from here, we want to go to theme settings here. After that, you want to scroll down. You want to go to cart. On cart, let's click on enable cart note. Let's click on save. Once you click on save, let's check out our cart. Oh, we need to add a product. Let me add a product real quick. Add a product. I'm going to add the cart. I'm going to drop in a file real quick. I'm going to add the cart now. Give it a second. Now, once it's added, you'll see that it's going to be add to cart here. Let's view cart. Now, as you can see, now we have a special icon here that we can use as our gift notes.